My plan for weekend. Hello, teacher. Today I'm going to talk about my plan for this weekend. Weekend usually spend time with my family, do housework, and relax. I also like to organize my activities for the next week. This weekend I'm finishing my academic activity because I have some assignments and projects to complete. I want to finish everything on time and do my next work. And I am also spending a lot of time with my family. We are all going to have long together, talk, and enjoy to join my home. And family is very important to me. I always try to make a special moment with them. My husband is playing a soccer championship in the States and going to watch the Canadian Superhand and enjoy seeing him play because he likes soccer very much. I think he teams play well and I hope they win the next match. In addition, I am making delicious traditional chicken soup called pollo criollo. My family loves the soup because it's instant and healthy. I am buying fresh ingredients and preparing everything weekend. If I have free time, I'm going to work and maybe listen to music and relax at home. And I am also to play short work and enjoy the fresh air. I think this weekend going to be busy. Um, but very enjoyable. I am completing my responsibilities, supporting my husband. I am investing quality time with my family. Thank you for your week listening.